Okay, we're going to try to do some import examples on charts. I had a couple questions about that, so I figured we'd do that. So first thing you do is you go to the chart management, click import, and you get this just simple little box. I'll stretch it out here so you can see it all. And now we're going to pull our PDF thing over here. And go to one page. This is the cleric hit tables from OSTRIC. And what we want to do is select this section. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the Alt key so I get a square box, so I can get that square box like that. If you don't, it does just that. And I don't like that because sometimes it just doesn't work right. So press Alt, hold it down. We don't want to select the title up there, but I'm going to go down really far. Actually, no, we'll do it this way first. And then I right click on it, selected section, and do copy as table. Does that? And we move it out of the way. Go back to here. Now paste it. And I can stretch that out really far so everything gets laid out the way it should be. If it looks right from here, we just click the import button. Oh, there's two different versions of import. The OST import is from exports of OST, which I'll show you in a bit. This is a text import because we're just importing from beta. Click import, and it's asking us, do you want to use level and then these numbers as the headers? And we do, because it's level is listed on the left here, and then these are the ACs that each of those values are hidden, so we're going to say yes. If we said no, it would put just blank little values in the headers, and you'd have to fill those in. Okay, and it imported it, and it's telling us we need to save it if we want to keep it. Let's try auto size. Boom. We now have the cleric chart. So we'll call it cleric matrix. Group it in the matrix type, and just call it cleric to hit AC chart. And then save. And then we can do test, and it'll add it to the DM screen under matrix. Where's cleric? Oh, and there it is. And you could spread these out if you want, if they're all too clumped up for you. Give it a little bit more space, whatever. I don't like mine being so close. But as you can see, that's a text import from a PDF. Now you could add some problems. Let's see if I can get a import from. Okay, here's an example of what I'm talking about having issues. Like if I want to copy this chart, select it and go through. Oops. Right click, copy as table, import. And when I paste it, you'll see at the bottom, you can see like 19 and 20 are kind of run together and it's kind of all munged. I'm not sure what causes that, but the way to get around that is select, and then just select a little stuff below it for some reason, and then do copy as table, import, and paste it in, and now you'll see 20 is on its own little line. I don't know why. Just edit out that little section that you copied in that you didn't intend to or you don't need. And yes, we want to use that as header, and boom, now you've got it all imported and auto size it, and you can see the chart. It's perfect. So it just seems that you need to get the extra little, for some reason, copying the extra little additional below it forces it to make the tables in line the way they're supposed to be. And to export charts of your own, click export with the chart selected. There you go. Just copy that and paste it wherever it is you want to give it to somebody. Or if you're going to import that, or you get somebody sent you one and you want to import it, you just take that text that they've given to you and copy it from whatever means that they give it to you, paste it in here. Make sure you have OST selected because it's an OST import. This It's a XML style, but it's an OST import, and just import. And if you want to save it, save it. And it should keep the widths and everything that they used. Everything should be perfect. And the names and all that will be filled in as well. So if you want to keep it, you click save, and it'll load up in your DM screen.